Hey, sixth grade writers, welcome to Grounds for Thought for today. Today we're going to be building off of the work we did yesterday with our first person narrator and continuing to become and sharing the story, becoming a character and sharing our story using first person, which is I, me, or my. Today we're going to build upon that and work towards building compelling characters. And so this simply means that we have developed a character fully. We know a lot about them, from their thoughts, words, feelings, choices, actions, and how other people react towards them, as well as their physical descriptions. When we include all of those things, we have a well-rounded character that we can relate to, that we can visualize, we can sympathize with, and that are really worth reading about. And so today we're going to pretend that we are the chupacabra, and this is a mythical beast. That this is meant to be kind of silly, but just a fun way to experiment with building characters. And so your job is you are the chupacabra, and you are to convince me that you are a mistreated circus animal and not a monster. And so as you build this character, you're really going to want to pay attention to the characterization chart that we used yesterday, which I'm going to pull up here for you to see. This characterization chart in which we color coded a character's thoughts, words. This is like dialogue, like what they say out loud, their feelings, their choices, and their actions. Having all of these creates a really well balanced, well developed character. And so that's your job today. You're not writing a whole story today. You are just, using your 7 minutes and 42 seconds of writing time to start telling your story as the chupacabra and how you are a mistreated circus animal and not a monster. So have some fun and experiment with it, and then we will be using the tricks and the skills that we learned writing this, and we'll apply it to our personal narratives to make sure that the small moment personal narrative that we wrote last week, that we are now taking through the writing process, the revision process, making sure that we have built our characters in a well-developed way. And you are the main character of your personal narrative, and who best knows you than you? So that's why we're doing this today. We are practicing with sharing the thoughts, words, feelings, choices, actions, and how other people react to us in this silly story about the chupacabra, and then applying that to our personal narratives. Please send me an email if you have any questions, and happy writing!